Hello everyone, my name is Nikki with Jess Auto Group, and today I'm going to be discussing all things FordPass. First off, I wanted to kindly ask that you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Not only does it help grow and build our audience, but it also notifies you when we upload new and educational content. And so with that being said, let's get into the FordPass app and everything that FordPass offers for Ford customers. There are loads and loads of features available in the FordPass app. And I'll try to touch base on the ones that are most useful, especially those in the industry, including myself, what we typically use it for, as well as some of our customers and what they use it for. So with that being said, let's get into the nitty-gritty of this incredible feature. Ford made FordPass standard across the board on vehicles that are 2020 and newer. However, if you do have an older version, an older vehicle like 2019 and older, app functionality may vary dependent on the model, trim level, and year of your vehicle. So if you click the link in the description below, it will take you to a website where you can plug in. All you have to do is plug in your VIN, and it will show you the functionality and compatibility of your vehicle with the FordPass app. So the FordPass app allows you to control your vehicle with your phone, whether it's an iPhone or an Android. You're able to do things such as remote start your vehicle, lock or unlock, and it allows you to schedule service appointments, keeping your vehicle in tip-top shape. There's a whole bunch of features that the app allows you to do from your phone. So let's dive into some of those features that the FordPass app offers.
This is your home screen. As you can see, my Ford Explorer is there. If you want to simplify the screen, you can click the button here to remove the picture of your vehicle. You can view or edit your profile by selecting the account button on the top right of the screen. You'll see your vehicle connected, message center, settings, and other features. If you need to add another vehicle, or if you want to give your vehicle a nickname, this is where you do so. One of the key benefits of being a Ford customer and utilizing the FordPass app is FordPass Rewards. I just recently purchased my very first Ford vehicle, so you won't see any points listed on my account. However, you receive points for purchasing or leasing a new retail Ford vehicle, having your vehicle serviced at a participating dealership, regional limited time offers as available, and utilizing the FordPass Rewards Visa card. For example, you can earn 10 FordPass reward points per $1 spent on eligible purchases of parts and services. There's no cap or maximum on earning points or redeeming points, and you can redeem points on services or the purchase of a new vehicle. If you have questions on how to earn points or how to redeem points, you can go in the description below and click the link labeled FordPass Rewards. So back to the home screen, you'll see the lock and unlock and the automated start. So those are pretty self-explanatory. The features on the Ford key fob only work when you're within 300 yards from your vehicle. And so being able to utilize the FordPass app features such as lock and unlock and starting your vehicle, it'll work no matter the distance, just as long as your phone and vehicle have signal. This little button below is your horn and light feature. This allows you to activate your horn and lights for 5 seconds, which is beyond helpful if you have poor memory like myself and forget where you parked your car in a parking garage or grocery store. So the next tab over is your vehicle tab, and this will show you the last location of your vehicle, the odometer reading, and how many miles left until E on your tank. And this is probably one of my favorite features because I am not the best at keeping my tank full. If I have somewhere I need to be in the morning, I can always check my fuel level on the app the night prior and plan ahead if I need to leave 5-10 minutes early to stop at a gas station before I need to be anywhere. If you have any alerts on your vehicle, this is where they would be listed. Mine is green, which means I have no alerts. If it's red, that means there's a recall, and yellow means there is a field service action required. If you have a consistent schedule and you don't want to sit in a chilly car as you wait for it to warm up, you can set your vehicle up on a scheduled start. For example, if you head off to work at 7:20 a.m. and then leave work at 4 p.m. Monday through Friday, you can schedule your vehicle to start at, let's say, 7:15 a.m. and again at 3:55 p.m. So all you have to do is walk into a warm and ready vehicle. There's a safety feature where if you are running late, your vehicle will turn off after idling for a period of time, and this time can be adjusted in your settings anywhere from 5 minutes to 15 minutes. Under status, you can see tire pressure monitoring and oil life. It'll display the current PSI in all 4 of your tires, along with the recommended cold pressure for the front and rear. The oil life will display the percentage remaining, when it was updated last, and list your preferred dealer. You can easily call or schedule a service appointment with the click of a button. If you do not have a preferred dealer or need to find one, you can do so by clicking Find a Dealer located in this spot. Under the Service tab, you can see 24/7 assistance, scheduling, history, warranty, and other helpful links and references. Roadside assistance allows you to either fill out and submit a request with all the details needed or a direct button to the number for roadside assistance. Collision assistance is a tool that helps you locate a Ford certified collision center, towing service, and find a rental or pickup service with ease. You can also schedule a service, view service history, view your maintenance schedule for your specific vehicle, view your warranty, and a whole bunch of other helpful information. When you click on the Map tab, it'll automatically locate your vehicle or vehicles. You can view local charging stations for EV drivers, collision repair centers, and Ford dealers. If you're going on a road trip or want to view these options in a specific area, go ahead and type it in and view with ease. You can also input filters for when you're searching for dealers or service centers that allow specific options like tires, Saturday hours, and certified pre-owned. Keep in mind that there may be app updates periodically. If your FordPass app looks a little different than mine does in this video, it's due to a recent app update. If you need help or are interested in how to connect your vehicle to the FordPass app, let us know. We can always create a tutorial on the steps required to sign up so you can start earning reward points today.
I hope that you enjoyed this video. If there are any other topics that you would like us to discuss, please leave them in the comment section down below. Again, thank you for watching, and Jess Auto Group will see you next time.